In SOLIDWORKS, you often find yourself working on the same documents. To access your most recent documents, use the R key on your keyboard. Or use double-click on Start screen to access the Welcome screen. Here, you also have access to the most recent documents. Now, if you want to ensure that you have access to a particular document, you can pin the document and to always have access to it. Within the recent documents, you can use the advanced Open options by pressing the lower arrows in the right corner. Finally, you can decide how many documents you want in the list by going to Options, General Options, and within the top, you can set the desired number.